Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab with my friend Kay. Her channel is called MakeupLynzz. I'll have it linked down below. This is her idea. I think she got an idea from somebody else, but I'm not really sure. This one today is her idea. And I think some other people are going to be joining us, but I'm not sure who. But I have MakeupLynzz down below, so just go over to her channel and check out her. I would love it if you go check out her videos. She does amazing eye looks, let me just say. So today her idea was Singles Saturday. Let me get that right, Singles Saturday. And I joined in knowing I have some singles. I never touch my single eyeshadows, and I've pulled them out, and I really don't have a lot of single eyeshadows. I'm just going to give you a little quick. I've got these, and then I have all of these. Now I kind of looked through mine. I know I have some Sydney Grace. I have JD Glow, which I think has now gone out of business. I have Makeup Geek, which has since gone out of business. And then I have some indie. I have some I purchased on Etsy from different people that I don't even know if they are still in business. So yeah, and then I think I have a couple little tiny Urban Decays I got in like Ipsy's a long time ago. These samples, some of these samples, these singles, some of them are old. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do an eye look with what I have. And then I think next Saturday what we'll do is we will go through all of my singles, and I see 4 I'm automatically going to declutter, but I'll wait till next week's video. We will declutter those, and I'm going to use them in crafting because they're just glitters. I'm not sure where I got them, but they're just glitters. We'll go through all that next week. Today we're going to focus on an eye look. I'm going to start with this one, and I have my glasses if I need them, which I think I do. Let's start. I'm going to use Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek. And we'll see how, whoop, drop it and drop it. Let's see how this performs. I'm gonna put this all over, at least the upper, from the crease up. I'm gonna put this color. And it seems to be doing fine. It's working great. There we go. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Alright, now, pull my mirror a little closer to me. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And this is Sydney Grace, Together Forever. So I'm going to use that and put it in my transition area. You know, while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to grab some of these tapes I got from Shop Miss A. And I'm going to lay them here on my face. Use these today. I think that's pretty good. Because I don't want, I kind of want a clean line over here. We're going to try these out on this side. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade. This is Sydney Grace in, I'm sorry guys, You Have Me. You Have Me. Okay. I'm going to take my crease brush, and I'm going to work that into my crease. I think more on this outer edge since I have this tape on, and see how this looks. There we go. Now I'm going to get over here into all these singles that I have not been using. Let's go with, see what this one is. What are you? This is an indie brand. Ammo Cosmetic in Surge. Let's see what this looks like. I think it's a duochrome. Oh yeah, that is very pretty. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It's got like a reddish undertone. It's got some sparkle in it, but it's very, very fine, like a bright blue sparkle. That is really pretty. I wouldn't really call it a glitter. If it's a glitter, it's a little, really micro size glitter. I'm not going to use my finger. I'm going to use a brush. I'll grab a brush and let's see how this works. I want to do the outer V on my eye. I really need to be using these more often. You know, I have, now that I think about it, I have ColourPop Super Shock, and I have, I think, some cream eyeshadow. For next week, I'll dig out all of my single eyeshadows in all forms, and we'll see what I got. This is JD Glow, and this is white gold. It says white gold. To me, it looks a little green. This pink one here is a Ciate, but I don't have a color. I just have Ciate on the back. There we go. I'm gonna go with the JD Glow. Let's try it with a brush. Let's see how this goes on. Oh man, oh man. JD Glow had the most shimmery, shiny, glowy products. The brightest, most shimmery highlighter I have is a JD Glow. Let's go with that Ciate, the pink one, and just kind of brush it up here. I'm not sure where I picked this Ciate eyeshadow up from. But there, that works. Now, there we go. Okay, sorry guys, I had to change a battery again, so we'll see if I can get this in the right spot. Now, back to my eyes. I am going to go in. I think I'm going to go in with that one I already used. This one, which was the Ammo Cosmetics, with a small brush. And I'm going to take it under my lower lash line. A little bit of a kind of a smoky look. Ooh, I am really liking this look. This is, I need my glasses and I'll show you. Touch of Glam Beauty in Girl Boss. Again, I am positive I got this from Etsy. I'm gonna put this in my inner corner highlight. That is shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. Okay, guys, I am going to go now, put some minor liner on and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I have finished my eyes. Also put on some lips. My eyes, I lined under on my lower waterline with Opal Overcoat by Pixie by Petra. My mascara is Too Faced Better Than Sex in black. And then on my lips, I line my lips with Icon by Huda Beauty. And then my lipstick is, sorry, I gotta read the name. Lovable Me by Give. And that's it. That's the look. I am really, really liking this look. I think it turned out great. Looks good. So next week, next Saturday, we will go through and I will just show you all of my singles. I will pull everything out, see what I've got, and then we will also do some decluttering of singles, because I already know of 4 that I'm just going to go ahead and take out of my collection here. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to go over to MakeupLynzz and watch her video also, and tell her I sent you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you're new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.